everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable and disable JavaScript in Google Chrome. Now, this is good for security reasons or just overall stability of your computer. So firstly, just open up a new tab in your Google Chrome. Now, after that, just click on the three vertical dots option on the right side of your screen. Just scroll down and go to the settings option. So once you are in your settings, you can see this search bar. So just go ahead and type in JavaScript in your search bar. And after that, now you can see something that says Site Settings. So go ahead and just click on Site Settings. So once you are in the site settings, now just scroll down until you see something that says content, and under this content you can see something that says JavaScript. So just click on that. Now this is where you will enable or disable JavaScript for your browser as a whole. Now here, as you can see, I have my JavaScript enabled here. If you click on this option that says don't allow sites to use JavaScript, it would now be disabled. Now, if you want to enable or disable JavaScript for a specific website, what you need to do is you can see something that says not allowed to use JavaScript, no sites added. So just click here that says add. So now you have to just go ahead and type the URL for that specific site. So once you type in your URL, you have to click on this add option and then your site would be added here. Now you can do the same for allowing specific websites to use JavaScript. You can add specific websites that you want to use JavaScript, and they would be listed here. So the same thing works for allowing or not allowing JavaScript. You just have to add in the site's URL and then you are good to go. So that's how you do it. Just go to the settings and then go to JavaScript and just enable or disable it or add in the site's URL. So that was it. Now, if you have any queries regarding this video, please make sure to put them in the comments box. And also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.